Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
I cannot help bypass activation locks or provide tools to remove them unlawfully. The activation lock protects user data and deters device theft. For legal removal on an iPhone 6 you must use approved processes only. Start by contacting the original owner and ask them to remove the device from iCloud. If you cannot reach the owner, gather proof of purchase with serial number or IMEI. Then contact Apple support and request activation lock removal with documentation. If you have access to the original owner, ask them to sign into iCloud. And remove the iPhone. They should select Find My iPhone, choose the device, and click Remove from Account. After removal, restart the iPhone and complete activation with your Apple ID or the new owner's ID. If the owner cannot sign in, they can erase the device remotely if necessary. Always verify the serial number or IMEI before proceeding for accuracy. Keep a copy of the purchase receipt and correspondence for records. If you bought a used iPhone 6 that remains activation locked, contact the seller immediately. Request removal or a refund and insist on proof of account removal. Ask the seller to remove the device from their iCloud account or provide the original receipt. Apple will remove locks only after you submit a valid original receipt with serial or IMEI. Include a government ID and contact information when you file your support request. If documentation is insufficient, open a dispute through the seller or marketplace for resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.